It's there's the law, and then there's how the law is applied.
Right.
Yeah. And realistically, and also gotta think like, I got a small case, considered a small case, 1 or 2 days in jail. Judge rules against me. The judge is wrong. I could appeal. Well, how much is an appeal? Right. Well, okay, maybe 400. Okay. Am I gonna write the appeal? Because I don't know if you ever wrote an appeal before. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So, I'm not gonna write the appeal. I'll pay someone to write the appeal.
Right.
They wanted $15,000. Cool.
To write an appeal?
A federal court?
That's federal. That's feds.
It's called a Fed prices, bro.
Right.
Yeah. Like,
that's crazy.
Fed prices. They not like everybody.
Yesterday's prices.
Yeah, like who you think I am? Right. And federal courts, they walk with a little.
Right.
A little box, you know what I'm saying? I'm like that. I'm just taking circuit, like, oh, what? 15, 20 down, baby. Fuck you mean? You think this is? That's just a basic.
I golf with these motherfuckers. They better give me a check.
Damn. So
a lot of times it's like, you know what? I just can't. I could probably win an appeal, but it's just too much money, too much time.
Yeah,
so I gotta let it go.
And most of the cases are contingency-based.
Yeah, contingency-based. So you can, like, I can't afford to do an appeal.
So explain what that is for the audience.
Yeah, contingency means that you don't pay anything up front. You only get money if you win. Also means your lawyer only gets money if you win. Right. Which again, so it's why contingency is a lot of lawyers are I guess stingy. I don't know the way supposed to phrase it, but it's like they're not taking everybody's case. So lawyer has to pay all the money for the case. Mm-hmm. Standard fees are going to be filing the case. Federal court is $405. State court to file a case in New York and get the judge involved. To file a case is like $217. To get the judge involved is another $100. In state court, you file a motion, it's like $50. You got to file per motion you file. Yeah, you got to file.
$50? Is this shit on the menu? You want champagne caviar?
We got the all-inclusive option. We'll take care of you. Or, if you're not sure how many motions you're going to file, like the individual motion to file, know that issue, say that, certified trial for readiness is going to be $100. The file order to show cause.
This is state court.
The state court. It's going to be about $50. So in state court, if you want to file something, you want the court's attention, you gotta pay money. Of course, don't come free in state courts. That's everything, right? Mm-hmm. And then you gotta serve them. Process server can be anywhere from like $75 to $150 to serve them. You gotta formally serve them. And then depositions can be anywhere from like $375, $400 to like $2,000, $2,500, depending on how long you go. And all those things are expenses that kind of add up for a case. So a lot of these cases, maybe you get a case, most people write a case, then you 1 day jail, maybe to get $12,000, $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 if it's good. A lot of clients won't eat, may not get too much if the case goes on too long or it gets too aggressive. And then some lawyers, I'll just be honest, some lawyers, because you can get fees. So some lawyers will just, they're more concerned with getting their fees than they are getting a client the most money. That's not how I work, but
I didn't know about fees. Explain that to me.
So basically, in civil rights cases, there's a code with the fee shifting provision, which means that if you win the case at trial, that means that they can pay. They would have to pay the attorney fees.
And that's state and federal, or just
that's federal.
Federal.
There are no fees. It's got some good questions. There are no one's ever asked me that. There's no point. No one's ever asked me that. We all play over here. No, because it comes up. Because what happens is I'll be like, because sometimes I'm like, I gotta know the state claims. All right, you're not getting fees though. It's like it's like damn. I'm not getting fees. I got them on the state. I got them on the federal claims. But only get fees and you only get fees for the work you do on the federal claim. So if you out here doing, it's like, you did all that work on the state claim, we're not gonna pay for that. We don't pay for the work you do on the federal claim. So They got me again.
Yeah.
You know, we got him. Yeah, and but you got it. That's, you know, a trial's going to take federal court trial's going to take about 3 years, give or take a little bit. State court. Good luck. I say by 7 years you should have a trial.
Damn, that's crazy.
Really?
Because they backed up, or just because that's how they do business?
Well, it's the Bronx. You know,
the Bronx is the Bronx.
The Bronx like to take your blood. No, they're backed up and they're slow and they just get away with it. You know, they everything takes forever. You know, and that's public because you may say you file most. Like, I got into the quickest I've done in terms of down to it. So the way it works is that once your case is done, like done on discovery, done on depositions, you file a certificate of readiness for trial, and you go in the trial calendar, and then about 18 to 24 months later, you may have a trial. Okay, so I got into a trial calendar within 2 years, which is state court probably earliest you're going to get it. And again, I'm in the 18 to 24 month range. So there's no way that 4 years is probably realistically the earliest you would get the trial, even if you finish discovery within 2 years. You may not finish discovery for 3-4 years, and then you still got that to at least 2 year wait. And again, that's in like Brooklyn, Queens, you know, Manhattan is gonna be like a year, 12 to 18 months. Bronx is gonna be like, you know, closer to 2 to 3 years.
Well, even if you're on a trial calendar.
That's on the trial calendar.
Damn.
That's on the trial calendar. So you'll see some 2015, 2016 documents, you know what I'm saying? Cats been out there for a minute. So that's why everybody, you know, people settle, because
why? Yeah, exactly. Why are you gonna wait that long?
You know, it's like you're not, you know, like I could get more money at trial, but you know, you got 3-4 years from now. So, you know, I get a lot, you know, look, I love my clients. They be like, why is this case taking so long? Like, I wish, I don't, part of it is the system's underfunded. Mm-hmm. Part of it is just that, it's you know, it helps the defense side out. It helps the city, it helps all these other people out. And then when you got a city case, you're in the city part. So the city part is the slowest part. You know, if you're in like the commercial part, you know, they actually they put the best judges there because that's people with money.
Right.
But if you if you were in the city, you're in the slowest part. That the judges got thousands of cases. They gotta make decisions on, you know, hundreds, if not thousands of motions. So it's going to be a minute. You know. So I don't want to attack the judges because they trying, but they need more judges. They need more. They don't fund it. Right. Why would you fund it if it means that it's going to be worse off for you? Right. Because of the city's perspective. Yeah, for the city, if we pay more money, then it's like, okay, but then we're going to go to trial and lose. So,
yeah, like why would we grease the wheels if you taking money out of my pocket?
Yeah. Right. Why would it make it easier for you to take from me?
Yeah.
So I'm surprised they fund that shit at all.